Hey guys, so today we'll be doing a Suzuki Swift 2011 model. This is the factory head unit we'll be taken out of. So to get to the factory unit first, you need to actually take out the glove box. So I'll show you guys here. I've already taken it out. So you see these two. There's two of these endpoints here. Then it goes onto here, over here, and here. So all you gotta do is basically just pop it out and it will all come off. And then on the inside here you'll see like these two bolts right underneath that big piece of plastic. So guys, I just want to show you comes in our kit for the Suzuki Swift model. So obviously you've got your trimming tools here to take out the head unit. You've got your 20-pin lead, more the right attachment that goes into our head unit over here, and then we've got all your, so this is for your reverse camera, your GPS, your antenna, and your USB ports, and obviously here we have the actual head unit itself. Hey guys, today we'll be doing a head unit upgrade for Suzuki Swift 2011 model. So I'm just going to go through, show you guys on how to do it precisely. Try my best. So what you want to do first is grab your trimming tools. So trimming tool, any of these like here, and what you want to do is basically pop the top of it like so. As you can see, it can come off quite easily. Then what you do, because you can't, I've been able to take out this plug here. Maybe here I can. That's what I've been off on. If that doesn't work, just use a screwdriver to push that in, so you can take it out like that. So once that comes off, take out these as well. Here it comes. Gives you a bit of room to work. Now there are two screws. You see here, I've already removed them. Two screws that come up to here on the edge of your head unit. These two here. So what you do is you unscrew them. I've already done it in this case, and all you have to do is pop. See, as it comes out, pop this off, and basically the factory head unit comes out. And then what you want to do, so here you go, all the cables here. I've already taken them out, but you get the idea of the antenna. So you just take out all the cables. I've just got this one more to do. Sometimes you may find, like, especially the older models, sometimes it's hard to get it out. But so once you've unplugged everything, obviously there's not much in this model. Once you have unplugged everything, just put this to the side. Now obviously, you've got your old cables like your antenna and your 20-pin plug over here. So you remove it. It's pretty simple in this model. Luckily you don't have to take out the glove box or anything like that. So this is all good. So here guys, obviously you've got your 20-pin lead with all your attachment that will go into our head unit over here. So what you need to do is basically this bit here. You connect it to the old cable, which will go, I'll show you guys. So this here will go with this one over here. So I'll just connect it up. Here like a click, so here it's plugged in, and then for this one, the grey one, this will fit the grey one over here will match with this one. So it's basically mix and match for all the cables. And that's pretty much done. So obviously here we've got a head unit that's going to go in. This is the back of it here, so what you need to do is basically just mix and match. So this one here, you see the 20 pin bit will go into here, into this one over here. So you'll just have to click that in. That's in. And then this is for your antenna. So this will go into your antenna bit. So you can see here, it's all connected up. It's all connected up with antenna. So now we'll be connecting up our cables for, so like your reverse camera video feed, if we had to have a reverse camera installed. We've got different types with different attachment, obviously, whichever fits. Different on there with grey plug. From there, I think our best one would be this black one. So here we have our USB ports and our mic for the off-market mic. So what you'll do here, you'll use this pin here and plug it in the back. Obviously, because this is tied up, you just need to untie the zip tie. And all you need to do is plug it in. Just match it to the right one. As you can see, it's plugged in, and if you want, you can run these guys through the back there. So I'll show you guys. If you want it to be that way, obviously. This here is our GPS. You gotta make sure this here is stuck up onto the top of the dashboard and make sure nothing is obstructing it, so you can get the signal. In this case, obviously I've taken it out, but it will be stuck to this bit of a dashboard here. So what you need to do is connect this little bit here, and you screw it on to the GPS pin, or where it's located. I'll show you guys. So it's right here, that little gold one here, my finger is. All you need to do is screw that in, like so. So this here is our mic, off-market mic. Obviously, this head unit already has a built-in mic, but if you want a little bit extra, this mic can be connected up to it. So you can put that with the mic. You just match it up with the mic cable over here until it clicks. So once everything hooked in, you just turn it on to see if it has power. Which it does over here. So as you can see, it's clearly working. Everything has got power to it. Making sure everything works. Okay. So now what we'll do is I'll show you guys on how to connect it to the Bluetooth. So you're just going to, let's show back again. So you're just going to this icon here. This says Bluetooth. Go on to there. We'll just connect it to my phone for now. So you press search, and then you also this is iPhone, that's my phone. We'll connect it up that way. and it should connect. So there you go, it's all connected there. So now what you'll do, if let's say we want to try Apple CarPlay, you'll go onto apps here, and then you have to find the app called SpeedPlay. Trying to find where that is. So here we're just gonna see if the radio works. So we'll just pick a channel. So wish right now. It's clear working, everything's working in order. So guys, here you have your head unit here. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to go to CarPlay. What you do is you go into the apps and you go on Z-Link, and then because my phone's already connected up, we'll just connect it straight away to CarPlay. So obviously instead of SpeedPlay, this will have Z-Link. I just want to quickly show you guys for the buttons over here and how to program it here. So what you got to do is go into the apps and you go into the app called Wheel Study. As you can see, all the commands are there, but if you click one of the buttons, basically a little screen should come up like it is there, and you can click what you want it to do. So if you go back to where we were, so now see, you're clicking the buttons and it's all working just fine. There you go, and there you have it, guys. So this is the finished product. It's already all installed in, all flashes, you can see, and it's ready for use.